Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vishwas Thani. Today I am taking a lecture on fluid mechanics. We have studied in earlier lecture continuity equation. We know that continuity equation it is the principle of conservation of mass in which fluid quantity flowing through a section will be constant. If you are taking two section 1 and 2 and fluid quantity from one section will also be equal to the fluid quantity from section 2. Okay? Then today I will take one example. Question is that the diameters of pipe. Question 1. The the diameters of the of the pipe at the section 1 and 2 are 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Find the discharge through the pipe if the velocity of water of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 is 5 meter per second. Determine also the velocity of section 2. Determine also the velocity at section 2. Okay. In this question, first of all, read all the questions. The diameters of pipe at section 1 and 2 are 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. 10 centimeter and 15. First of all, draw the suitable diagram. That is 10 centimeter and that is 15 centimeter. Respectively, find the discharge through the pipe. Find the discharge. Discharge means Q. Q आपको find out करना. Find the discharge. Discharge through the pipe. If the velocity of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 is 5 meter per second. यहाँ पर velocity कितना है? V1 equal to 5 meter per second. Determine the velocity section 2. velocity section 2 को find out करना है. आपको V2 फाइंड आउट करना. आपको V1 पता है. It is clear. We know that Q for rho 1 A1 V1 equal to rho 2 A2 V2. If I am taking liquid, then it is compressible. Then it is incompressible. Then it is then it is incompressible. So density equal to constant. So Q equal to क्या हो जाएगा? A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. ये आपका रखना है. Rho 1 Q equal to A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. तो अब इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे देखिए. सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे? इसको नोट कर लीजिए. Q equal to A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. मैं इसको बना दे रहा हूँ. कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. इसके लिए okay, then Q equal to A1 V1. We can write pi by 4 V1 square into V1. Pi by 4 into A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Pi by 4 V1 square into V1 equal to pi by 4 V2 square into V2. That is cancel out. We know that V1, then we can find out V2 equal to V1 upon V2 का whole square into V1. Put the value of V1 is 10 and V2 is equal to 15. 10 upon 15 the whole square into V1 is 5 meter per second. Solve it. तो सॉल्व करिए. V2 कितना आएगा? इसको सॉल्व करिए. V2 is 2.22 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 2.22 मीटर पर सेकेंड. यहाँ से आप इसको निकाल सकते हैं. इस क्लियर? Then discharge can find from A1 V1 or A2 V2. किसी से हम उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Discharge equal to A1 V1. यहाँ से फाइंड आउट करिए. कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? pi by 4 into 10 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square into 5. इसको सॉल्व करिए. कितना आ देखिए. 0.03927 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. इसलिए this is simplest method, simple method to solve the question. Okay. We will see next question. Quantitative question is very important for any competition or for AQTU. Note that a 30 centimeter. I am writing a question. I am actually this is the question from 5.2. दूसरा क्वेश्चन नहीं है. D1 equal to 30 centimeter. V1 equal to 2.5 meter per second. That is section 1, section 2 and section 3. V2 equal to
मीटर पर सेकेंड, d2 इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर। d3 फाइंड आउट करना आपको, d3 इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर।
Question is that
A 30 centimeter diameter conveying water means of liquid branched into two pipes, 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. If the average velocity in 30 centimeter pipe is 2.5 centimeter, average velocity is 2.5 meter per second, find the discharge in this pipe.
it means Q1.
Find the discharge in this pipe. Also, determine the velocity in 15 centimeter pipe.
Determine the velocity in
15 centimeter pipe. If the average velocity in 20 centimeter is 2 meter
per second. Okay. First of all, you should know here Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q3. Now the question from here Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q3. Is clear? Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q3. Then Q1, what will be Q1? Q1 equal to A1 B1. Q1 equal to A1 B1. Then pi by 4 D1 square into B1. Pi by 4 D1 is 30 centimeter.
D1 is 30 centimeter.
So 0.3 pi square into B1 is 2.5. B1 is 2.5. Is clear? Solve it. Can find out Q1. Point 1767. 1767 meter cube per second. Is clear? Similarly, Q3 देखिए यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा Q1 बराबर Q2 plus Q3. Q1 equal to pi by 4 B1 square into B1 equal to pi by 4 B2 square into B2 plus pi by 4 B3 square into B3. Is clear? We know that this 0.1767 equal to pi by 4 B2. B2 is 20 centimeter. 20 to 10 to power minus 2 pi square. Next second. Plus pi by 4 15 into 10 to power minus 2 pi square into V3. From this equation we can find out V3. From this equation we know that this pi by 4 D
D2 square, D2 is 20 centimeter. Pi by 4, D3 square, D3 is 15 centimeter.
and V3 is unknown quantity.
So, in this equation, only one unknown quantity is V3.
So we can find out to solve this equation. V3 is 6.44
meter per second.
6.44 meter per second. Is clear? V3 is 6.44 meter
Per second.
Okay, this is very simple question.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए। Next question is water flowing through a pipe AB water flowing through a pipe AB through a pipe AB 1.2 meter diameter. 1.2 meter diameter at 3 meter per second. At 3 meter per second. At 3 meter per second. And then passes through a pipe BC 1.5 meter diameter. Diameter at C the pipe branches at C the pipe branches branch CD is 0.8 meter in diameter and carries 1/3 of the flow. And carries 1/3 of the flow. In AB. Flow in AB. The flow velocity in branch CE is 2.5 meter per second. Find the volume rate of flow. Find the volume rate of flow in AB. The velocity in BC the velocity in BC, the velocity in CD, the velocity in CD and the diameter of CD. The diameter of CE
Is clear? First of all, read the question 2 times, 3 times. Water is flowing through a pipe. We will start this stage. Water is flowing through a pipe AB. First of all, draw the AB. Pipe AB. Is clear? 1.2 meter diameter. 1.2 meter diameter. Diameter of AB 1.2 meter. Is clear? 1.2 meter. At 3 meter per second, velocity is VAB 3 meter per second. Is clear? And then passes through the pipe BC 1.5 diameter. 1.5 meter. Is clear? 1.5. This means BC equal to 1.5 meter diameter. At C, the pipe branches CD is 0.8 diameter. Here. CD is 0.8 meter. That is BCD equal to 0.8 meter in diameter, and carries 1/3 of the flow in AB. Carries 1/3 of the flow in AB. This means Q QCD equal to 1/3 QAB. QCD equal to यहाँ हम लिखता हूँ इवेंट डाटा. अभी स्पेस लगाएगा. QCD equal to 1/3 QAB. Is clear? 1/3 AB. The flow velocity runs CE. CE. That is CE. The flow velocity in CE is 2 per second. ये flow है V C is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Find the volume rate of flow in AB. Okay, क्या कन्वर्ट करना है to AB. Okay, the velocity in BC. Okay, the velocity in CD. Okay, the diameter of CD. Clear? Okay. Now we can remove the question. You can see that how when read the question 2 and 3 times, you will be able to know how to draw the sketch. Okay? You will be able to know how to draw the sketch. So it is very important to read the question 2 and 3 times carefully. If you understand what are saying in question, you can easily draw the figure. You can easily draw this figure diagram. Okay, first of all, we start from section AB. We know that diameter and also velocity. And for discharge, we should know diameters and velocity is sufficient. Then start from AB. QAB. QAB equal to 5/4 diameter of AB pi square 5/4 d square into velocity of AB. Is clear? We know that pi by 4 d is 1.2 by square into velocity is 3. We can easily calculate it. VAB, QAB 3.393. 3.393 meter cube per second. 3.393 meter cube per second. Okay. Then we know that QAB equal to QBC. QAB BC find out करना तो QAB equal to QBC or we can say that pi by 4 DBC square. Pi by 4 D square into velocity BC. We can find out this velocity of BC. So velocity of BC equal to 3.393 upon pi by 4 1.5 per square. Is clear? We can find the QBC. QBC equal to 1.92 meter per second. 1.92 meter per second. यहाँ से आगे वाला 1.92 meter per second. Is clear? Similarly, we know that we can find QCD equal to 1/3 QAB equal to 1/3 QAB कितना है 3.393 1.31 meter cube per second. Because in this question, discharge through this CD equal to 1/3 discharge of AB. 1/3 discharge of AB. So easily calculated CD equal to QCD equal to 1/3 QAB. So 1/3 into 3.393. We know that 3.393 is the discharge of AB. So 1/3 of this 1.131 meter cube per second. Okay. Okay. Next is QCD. QCD, we know that VCD find out the number. Then QCD equal to pi by 4 DCD का square ठीक है QCD into BCD. It is clear? So equal to कितना हो गया 1.131. Then BCD equal to 1.131 upon pi by 4. DCD is 0.8. Solve करिए इसको. 2.25 meter per second. It is clear, 2.25 meter per second. Okay, next is DCE. We know that QBC equal to QCD plus QCE. QBC 3.393. QBC is 3.393. That is equal to QUB 3.393. QCD no, you know that 1.131 plus QCE 584 D C square 5 square into velocity of CE. So V D C, if you calculate this equation, then DC equal to 1.0735. 1.0735. 1.0735 meter. Okay, that is the procedure to solve this question. Okay. एक क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं हम लोग। Question is 2.5 centimeter diameter a 25 centimeter diameter pipe carries oil of specific gravity 0.9 at a velocity 3 meter per second. At another section, the diameter is 20 centimeter. Find the velocity at this
section
and also
mass rate of flow.
flow of oil. In this question, a 25 centimeter diameter pipe carries oil of specific gravity 0.9 at a velocity of 3 meter per second. At another section, the diameter is 20 centimeter. Then it is clear 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Specific gravity of oil density पर कितना आ जाएगा 900. The velocity is find the velocity of the section and also mass rate of flow of oil. Three meter per second. Velocity is given. Okay. Then we know that Q equal to rho 1 A1 V1 equal to rho 2 A2 V2. First of all, Q discharge throughout section will be constant. Discharge cross section will be constant. Then rho is equal to 900 into pi by 4 into area is 0.25 by square into velocity is 3. And let's solve it. इसको solve करिए आप लोग. One 32.23 meter cube per second. Is clear? Okay, and next is we know continuity equation. We know that continuity equation A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Actually, in this question, we should take density because he has given density of oil. So we should take density. We should not units per second. This is the mass per second. Yeah, kg per second. Is clear? A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Then pi by 4 25 square equal to into 3. Pi by 4 0.2 square into V2. We can find V2 from this question 4.68. 4.68 meter per second. So, okay, we can find easily every question. You can solve every question easily. Okay. In the continuity question, we should know equation just like if you equal to rho 1 A1 will equal to rho 2 V2. When rho 1 is given, then you can find the mass per second. If density is not given, density is clear is the water. So you can use the equation of A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. This is the continuity equation for 2D. This is the continuity equation for 2D. इसके लिए ओके टुडे आज के लिए धन्यवाद। हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे कंटिन्यूटी फंक्शन का 3D कंटिन्यूटी फंक्शन पढ़ेंगे, उसका डेरिवेशन देखेंगे। ठीक है, आज के लिए थैंक यू।